Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Cottoncuts. Kim, the owner, contacted me to see if I'd be interested in checking out their fabric and their Cottoncuts box. So here it is. And when you sign up with Cottoncuts, they ask you a few questions to find out what you like. So, like, the questions I was asked was, what color do you prefer to quilt with? Jewel tones, brights, earth tones, neutrals, pastels, or all of the above? What one fabric do you not want to receive? Like batiks, florals, reproduction, juvenile, holiday, or blenders? Would you describe your quilting style as traditional, modern, transitional, or artistic, or all of the above? What do you prefer to quilt? Quilts, wall hangings, accessories, or all the above? And would you prefer 6 half yards or 12 fat quarters? So my answers were, for number 1, what color do you prefer to quilt with? I said I love jewels, brights, and pastels. What one fabric do you not want to receive? And I put any fabric are awesome, because I love any of them, and I make so many different things it didn't matter to me. Number 3 was, would you describe your quilting style as traditional, modern, transitional? And my answer was, I'm a new quilter, so I'm not sure yet. And number 4 was, what do you prefer to quilt? Right now I prefer to do quilts. I have been working on some little accessory things, like in the hoop with my embroidery, but mostly I wanted to learn to quilt. And number 5, did I want 6 half yards or 12 fat quarters? And I chose 12 fat quarters, since I'm still growing my stash. Even though it looks humongous, I still would like more selection, since I do make more smaller projects with the fabric I buy, opposed to doing the boxes, which have something in them to make already. So let's dig in and see what they sent me. So if you're interested in this box and you would like to order it, I will have a discount code down below. It will get you 10% off your first month of a classic or modern maker delivery. So let's dig in and see what we got. So it's super cute here. I love the pink and that cute little sticker. And I'm not going to rip that because I want to use that in a journal. So let me flip this out of the box. Ooh, and we have some candies. Yummy. Love me chocolate. Dark chocolate, sea salt, and caramel. Oh my gosh. Yum. So let's slide this out here. So it comes all packaged really cute. It says, today is a good day for a good day. Love your fabrics. Do you want more of your favorite, or to see what fabric the other quilters receive? Go to cottoncuts.com to see all the wonderful fabrics delivered this month. And I did get this box last month. So here's my contents. It was filled by Jenny. And they mark off what you get. So, like, here's all your options. You got batiks, florals, reproduction, holiday and seasonal, juvenile, blenders, and the Cottoncuts vault, which is based on your preference. We went into our fabric vault to find fabric specifically for you. And this is 100% quilting cotton. So then we have a designer spotlight. I like these little cards. These are cool. Rebecca Lindstrom. So that's the designer spotlight. She is the founder. Rebecca is the founder and creative force behind Studio R Quilts. And here's 3 of her quilts here. Then we have block of the month, and it is the rail fence. And here is, let's see, post your completed coloring sheet using CCC Color Challenge for a chance to win 2 yards of fabric. You have to enter by the 15th of each month. That's cool. Little card there. And this is a cute little card. It says, I'll show you what's under my needle if you show me what's under yours. Oops. It goes like that. Super cute. And it says, hello friend, you can make a difference. And just to show you this, how cute it is. A portion of every purchase from Cottoncuts will help us buy supplies to make quilts and donate them to kids in need. If you want to give your monthly boxes a try, we'd love for you to use code. So my code is Lizzie Laine, and I'll put that down below. And I'll also put it across the screen here for you. Oh, some more stickers. I will use those. Let's see, how to download your pattern. I'm not sure what that is. Navigate, click. I guess you can go get patterns off their website. It tells you how to do it. So here is what they surprised me with, and I see some super cute fabrics in here already. So the first two are the same. We got a bluish green, I guess teal, and like a magenta purple. That's cute. And look at these. These are so cute. These little puppies. A red and a pink. And it's very soft. It's very nice. I can definitely tell it's quality fabric. And then we have a couple of pirate ones. So these would be like out of the juvenile. That's cute. And this. Then we have a couple of Halloween. We have spider's web and a spider. That is so cute. And then this one. Then we have another like fall one. Love that. This one feels a little different. Texture wise. And then we have these 3 blue ones. There's this one. This one. And this one. So that is all 12 of my fat quarters, which I love. I love getting just different kinds of fabric to work with. So if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comments. Again, I will have my link down below. And a 10% coupon off your first classic or modern maker delivery. So thanks for stopping by, and I will see you again soon. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love for you to. Just click that subscribe button, and if you'd like to get notified next time I upload a video, just click on that bell. So thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.